Welcome to the world of mixology. You are watching Spice Trail. Today I am going to make one of the most famous gin cocktails for you. The classic Gin Fizz Cocktail. This classic cocktail was first described in the Bartender's Guide in 1876, and became widely popular in America between 1900 and 1940s. I hope you will like this recipe. Let's take an old-fashioned glass. Few ice cubes. I will pour 1½ ounces of London dry gin. You will be surprised to know that London dry gin is nothing but a style, and can be produced anywhere in the world. 1½ ounces of lime mix. Lime mix is less sour and thinner than lemon juice, and generally used in the bar. 1½ ounces of simple syrup. You can easily prepare it by mixing equal parts of sugar and water. 1/4 ounce of egg white. Egg white helps to create froth in the cocktail, but be careful, as excess egg white can spoil the drink. I hope you are enjoying this recipe. I will add a few ice cubes, and shake vigorously to create froth. If you like this recipe, please don't forget to give a big thumbs up. You can check the description box for the detailed recipe. I will fix a hawthorn strainer on the shaker, and strain the cocktail into the glass. You are watching Spice Trail. Now I will pour a splash of chilled soda. I will be happy if you make this cocktail at home, and share your experience with me. I will garnish this cocktail with a fresh lime wheel. And fresh rosemary leaves. The classic Gin Fizz cocktail is ready for you. I hope you have enjoyed this recipe. Cheers for your amazing life. Thanks for watching Spice Trail. See you soon with another exciting recipe like this. Till then, keep watching.